Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you a quick trick on how to pause Instagram Reels without having to keep your fingers on the button. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and then tap to open it. Here we are on the Instagram homepage. Scroll through the feed until you come across a reel. Let's open this reel. To pause the reel, a simple tap on your mobile screen is all you need. No need to hold the button, just a quick tap and the reel will pause. When you are ready to resume, tap again and the reel will start playing. There is another method to do this. Navigate to the app preview. You will notice the reel is paused without the need to hold down any buttons. This is a simple and effortless way to pause Instagram Reels. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.